And included in that number of new cases announced in Governor Asa Hutchinson's daily press conference, the state's first report of COVID-19 inside of a prison system. Our Claire Kreitz was there at that press conference and joins us live outside the Capitol. And Claire, while these numbers are low, we're told that there's still a rougher patch ahead for Arkansas.
That's right, Hillary. In today's press conference, it was mentioned multiple times that this is a huge week for the nation and right here in Arkansas. And as you said, we're below those projected numbers, but as we saw today, these numbers just keep going up.
We are in a battle in our nation and in our state.
87 new cases of COVID-19, now the biggest single-day increase in the state of Arkansas.
The deadly nature of this virus strikes people, but it's also how highly contagious it is that gets people's attention.
Governor Asa Hutchinson says a big part of this uptick,
14 of them are in the Federal Correctional Institute in Forest City,
comes from an outbreak at the federal prison in East Arkansas,
which is a concern to us that Dr. Smith and his team has been working very diligently on.
According to Arkansas Department of Health Secretary Dr. Nate Smith, his team is working to keep those positive cases inside that facility at a minimum.
Segregate those who are known positive, those who have symptoms.
Even so, he says more cases are likely to pop up.
As you can imagine, that's a little bit challenging in that setting.
To keep this outbreak from getting out of control, the health department has called in the CDC for backup.
They should be arriving early this week, and they will be bringing laboratory support for us as well.
A swift action, state officials hope, stops the spread and keeps the curve below projections.
Take every precaution to make sure that we follow the guidelines and that we do all we can to reduce that spread.
Now, since that presser, there's been 23 more positive cases in the state. Again, a group of these cases are coming out of that federal correctional facility. And again, 25 to 35 more inmates and staff still need to be tested. So the state does expect more positive cases to come out of there coming soon. Hillary?
Something we'll continue to monitor.